In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to sell your digital content on a GoDaddy website. Let's get started, shall we? First of all, you will need to navigate to your GoDaddy product page. From here, you can access the website's plus marketing management tools to manage your website. This step is as easy as expanding the website's plus marketing section and swiftly selecting the Manage button next to your website. Once on your dashboard, the next step is to expand your store. This is where all your product-related activities will take place. You will find a Products option, and by simply clicking on it, the stage is set for the addition of your new digital product. Now that you're here, the next move is to add a new digital product. Scanning through the interface, you will see a button labeled Add. Select it, and in the ensuing pop-up, click Digital as your product type. Now this is where the true product creation starts to take place. You will need to fill out the product's necessary details like the product name and its respective price. The price is, of course, the value at which consumers will purchase your digital content. To give your customers a special treat, you can add a sales price as well. This could be a discounted rate that will apply during specific time frames or sales promotions. Proceeding, your next task is to add the product details and visuals. These elements are necessary to create an engaging and selling product listing. For starters, you'll want to upload an image or even a video that showcases the product. A high-quality visual will help the customer quickly understand what they are about to purchase. Now, write a detailed description of the product. This is a way for you to introduce and sell your product to potential buyers. If you're unsure of what to write, don't worry, GoDaddy has got you covered with their Suggest Description feature. This nifty tool uses artificial intelligence to generate a relevant description for your product. To help your customers navigate through your online store easier, it's advisable to categorize your product. This might seem like a trivial task, but it goes a long way towards improving your store's user experience, which is critical for potential sales. Lastly, after all your hard work, it's time to save your product. Simply click Save, and voila, your product is ready. However, if you have more products to add, click on the Save and Add another button. It's time to publish your website and make your digital content available to the world. This is done by returning to your website and publishing your changes. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to sell digital content on a GoDaddy website. Happy selling!